The Mister Suitcase. Looks like we have a fraction times a variable plus another fraction equals a mixed number. Ew, gross. All right. So remember, students, when it comes to problems like this, the first thing you want to do is, first of all, rewrite it on paper. That's always a good thing to do. Thumbs up. You want to wax out all these fractions. I don't want to mess with any of these things. I don't want to change them all to decimals. I mean, I probably could. They're not terrible decimals. That's 1.5. That's a number. That's a number. Yeah, there you go. That's 2.25. That's 4.25. 8.25. Excuse me, 4.25. 8.25. Yeah, you could change them to decimals. That wouldn't be too bad. But the proper way to do it is to wax out all the fractions. So watch this. I'm going to take everything times 4. 4 is going to wax out all these fractions for me. Well, changing them to decimals and taking everything times 4 is just going to make everything look nice. So that's basically the same thing. Just fractions are no fun. So if you multiply or if you change them to decimals, it all works out. Either way is going to be fine by me. Okay, take everything times 4. Sorry, I'm stalling. Scale it up. Make it look pretty. 3/2 times 4 is basically like 1.5 times 4. So I think it's going to be a 6x. Okay. Here's a nice thing. 9/4 times 4 is just going to be a 9. That's really nice. 8 1/4 times a 4 is going to be, well, 4 times 1/4, that's going to turn into a 1. And then 4 times 8, I believe, is 32, I think. So put those together. Yeah, there you go. Let me double check here really quick. 8.25 times 4. There you go. It's been a long day of teaching. My brain's a little fried, so I'm just making sure things are right. Okay. Just takes 5 seconds to double check just to make sure you're doing it right. All right, now we got pretty numbers. Let's do our algebra skills. -9. -9. 6x is going to equal, subtracting a 9 is going to, give me, it's going to give me down to a 24. Divided by a 6, divided by a 6. X is going to equal 4. So I'm going to put a 4 right over there. Okay, so that's one method. Okay, you could have also, since these are pretty nice fractions, you could have just changed them to decimals. 1.5x plus 2.25 equals 8.25. There you go. There you go. That's not that bad. You could have solved this one too. We would have got the same thing. Let's see here really quick. Let me just prove it really quick. 8.25. I would have subtracted the 2.25. Then I would have divided by 1.5. Hey, look at that. Same thing. I got a 4. Okay. So that's up to you. Okay. This would be the get rid of the fraction method. This would be just write them as decimal method. Okay. Either way, you get the same answer. That is the Mister Suitcase.